Hello friends! Thank you for watching this homework video. In this video, we're going to review our Bridges Chapter 10. We are going to start with vocabulary, then we'll talk about visiting places, and last we will review our multiplication problems. Starting with vocabulary. The first word, where am I going? I am going on a trip. Trip. I am going on a trip. I'm going on a road trip. Ooh, looks like fun. All right, next word. Oh, we know what this is. Taipei 101. What is Taipei 101? This building is a skyscraper. So we have sky, S-K-Y, skyscraper, skyscraper, A-P-E-R, skyscraper. We all know that there is one skyscraper in Taipei. There are many skyscrapers in Tokyo. Awesome. Okay, here, I have my road trip and I go on vacation and I drive to the beach. I am sitting in the sand. And. S-A-N-D. These children, they are playing in the sand. And they have some very colorful outfits. Okay, here. This is a special place. Looks like a road, but instead of a road, it's water. What do we call this? This is a canal. C-A-N-A-L. Do you remember where this is? It's in Venice, Italy. There are canals in Venice, Italy. If you want to go from place to place, you have to take a boat. Isn't that interesting? Okay, moving on. This is a building, but can we say that this is a new building or an old building? It is old. It's old from a long, long time ago. Do you remember the vocabulary word to talk about something that is old? It's historical. So we have hister. It connects to the word history. But as an adjective, we make it historical. So we have historical. The Colosseum is a historical building, and it is in Rome, Italy. You can see on the picture, it says Colosseum in Rome, Italy. There are many historical buildings in Rome. It's a very old city with lots of old special buildings. Awesome. So historical just means from the past. For example, we can have historical documents. So these are papers from a long, long time ago. We still have them. We can read them and learn about the past. We can learn history from them. Historical objects. Historical people wearing historical clothes. Okay, so all of these things are old from the past, so we say they are historical. Okay, moving on. This next one here. This is not a historical picture. This is a picture from today, or maybe not today, but maybe last summer in Taipei. Okay? There is nothing special going on here, but if you see me walking around in a unicorn costume, you will think that is very strange. Strange, which means a little bit weird, right? I am wearing strange clothes. Okay, all right, now let's review our directional points. So we have north, North, south, South, east, East, and west, West. Now let's practice using these in sentences. For example, if we are in Taiwan over here, and we want to know what is south of Taiwan. Well, let's look at the picture a little closer. Okay, so what is in the south, meaning we need to look down. So south of Taiwan, we have the Philippines. And if we continue south, we have Indonesia. And if we keep going, then we hit Australia. We can answer the question, where is Australia? Australia is south of where? Of Taiwan. Australia is south of Taiwan. Okay, let's do another example. So I'm in the USA, and I want to know, where is Canada? Well, we just need to look and see that Canada is where? Canada is north of where? Of the USA. Canada is north of the USA. Awesome. Let's do one last example. So we did Taiwan, we did the USA. Let's go to Italy. So now I'm in Italy, and I asked the question, where is Taiwan? Now I'm in Italy. Which direction is Taiwan? We go this way, east. Taiwan is east of Italy. Got it? Okay, cool. Let's move on with social studies. In social studies, we reviewed visiting some places. Like here, this is from our Bridges workbook. We talked about visiting the beach. And the focus was talking about the 5 senses. So if you remember this workbook page, we answered the questions. What do you see? What do you smell? What do you hear? And what do you feel? Now this feel, we're talking about our feelings, our emotions inside. There's another sense that also uses the word feel. It can also be touch. So that can be a little confusing because they both use the word feel, but you need to think, is it touch or is it an emotion inside of me? Okay? Okay, so let's do a little game. We're going to imagine that we are visiting this park. And I'm going to show you a sentence. You need to think, what sense am I talking about? Okay, here we go. First sentence, I see boats on a lake. It's the eyes. Okay, next one. I hear the ducks quacking. That's with your ears. I smell the sweet flowers. I feel the grass on my legs. Now, is this sentence talking about an emotion or is this a touch feeling? It's a touch feeling, okay? And the last one, I feel relaxed and happy. Now, this feel is an emotion, how you are on the inside. So it's that one. Okay, awesome. Let's keep going. Haha, yes, with math. Woohoo, last part. Make sure that you know these. In math, we reviewed multiplication from 6 to 9. So you can pause this video and practice. Make sure that you know all of these because you're going to have some multiplication problems. So we read, an airplane has 8 rows with 4 seats in each row. How many people can fly on the plane? So we do 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 people can fly on the plane. That's an easy one, only one step. You might also have multi-step. Multi-step multiplication problems means you need to do two things, 2 or 3. Let's have a look. I am at a park. I see 6 motorboats with 4 people in each, and 9 sailboats with 3 people in each. So I'm at the park from before, and I see some boats passing by. Some motorboats, some sailboats. There are different amounts of people in each. So first we do 4 people each in 6 motorboats equals 24. And then 3 people each in 9 sailboats is 27. How many did I see in total? Then we have to do some addition. 24 plus 27. So we do it. And the answer is, I saw 51 people in total. Okay, so that's a multi-step multiplication problem where we have to add some things together. Let's look at one more. I have 9 $10 bills. Okay, so I have 9 $10 bills. That means that I have $90. And then I buy 5 notebooks that are $7 each. So there's $7 and I buy 5 of them. That's $35 that I spend. How much money do I have now? So I have these two numbers. Am I going to do addition or subtraction? I have money and I buy some things with my money. That means I'm going to do subtraction. I do 90 minus 35. How much money do I have now? And we do it. Okay, so there's my answer. I have $55. Phew! And I think that's it for our Bridges Chapter 10. Good job, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.